Hello, welcome to European Open Briefing for Monday, May the 27th. I'm Rafi Bajan at xm.com, and we're going to be taking a look at what's happening in the FX markets today. So much of the focus this morning is on the European elections. The populist parties did make gains as expected, but they didn't do as well as had been feared. So this was good news for the euro and the pound, both of which are fairly steady against the dollar this morning. In the UK, the Brexit party was the big winner, but the main focus now is on who will replace Theresa May as the next Prime Minister. Looking at equities, they're mostly in the green. Market sentiment is struggling as we still have, of course, those ongoing trade tensions, and President Trump is now pressuring Japan. He's over in Japan for a state visit, and he wants Japan to reduce their big trade surplus with the US. But trading for the rest of the day is going to be very quiet today because it's a holiday both in the UK and the US, so we're expecting low volumes for the rest of the day. Looking more closely now at the European elections, so the far right and populist parties made significant gains, but it wasn't enough to give them overall majority, so they won't be able to set the agenda for EU politics. And although the center-right, center-left parties did lose significant votes, some of those actually went to the Greens and the Liberal parties. So overall, all the parties that are pro-EU actually retain outright control of parliament. So that was a relief for financial markets. There were a few upsets though in Greece and Italy. The Greek Prime Minister has called snap elections after his party did badly against the opposition. And in Italy, the coalition could be at risk because one half of the coalition, the League, surged at the polls. So there could be some trouble potentially in the future there. In the UK, as expected, voters punished the main parties. The Conservatives doing very badly, and Brexit party doing really well, coming almost getting third of the votes. But there was a surprise as the Liberal Democrats came second. They beat Labour, and this the fact that Remain supporting parties in total actually did almost as well as the Leave supporting parties. So this has kept the hopes alive of a potentially second referendum, even though the favourite at the moment to win the Tory leadership race and to become the next UK Prime Minister is hardliner Boris Johnson. So that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.